Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin It, and today we're going to change the cabin filter on my Infiniti Q50. Alright, so this is going to be a quick video because it's pretty easy to do. The cabin filter is behind the glove box. Alright, in order to get to that, you got it on hinges from the bottom here and drop it down. Okay, so let's do that. Alright guys, so you're going to grab it from the bottom here and you're going to unsnap it. You're going to hear it unsnap. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and this whole thing will snap, come down like that. Now there's a little cable here that's holding it. You don't have to deal with that. Alright guys, now you have access to the back. This just pops right off, this little door. Now you have this other door back here. You just grab it from here and pull it out. Okay, that's your filter right here. Just pull this out. Okay, and we have a new filter. I got a Wix. Where's the part number? That's the part number. Okay, just pull it out and just pop it back in. Make sure the arrow is facing down. Okay, just like that. That's it. Now you're gonna pop the doors back on. All right guys, when you put in this cover back on, make sure these tabs go into these slots right in there. Okay, and then just snap it in place. Snap it in place. Now you have this other part. Okay, just put it just like that. That's it. All right, all you gotta do is put the glove box back on. I took it off this little cable just to show you, but put the cable on. Okay, there's two tabs, this one and this one goes into these holes. Okay, and then the bottom is hinged on those things, so you're gonna just hinge it on there and snap it into place. Okay, we're gonna connect this cable first and then put these guys in the slots and then put these on the hinges. Feel it go on the hinges like that and then snap it in place. Okay. Alright guys, that's it. Pretty easy job. I wanted to show you the Nissan part number because I think this filter is a lot nicer than the other one. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye.